How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I did not plan on making another Cardano video here today, but there are some rumors going around that Charles Hoskinson said that Cardano is going up to $10. I want to talk about that. I want to talk about a couple of the major announcements. Now, I've talked about some of them already from the Cardano Summit, which is today and tomorrow. I want to talk about those real quick. We'll get into interesting crypto that's launching on Cardano here that I want to bring your way. That's actually, it's pretty fascinating. I've worked with them one other time. And then I want to hit on the price prediction, the $10 price prediction, and how likely is that? And did Charles actually say that we're going to hit $10? We're going to hit on all that. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, I appreciate that. Please hit the subscribe button too. That lets me know that you guys like these kinds of videos. I've been doing more of them because I like these short form content videos. I don't like wasting your time. So if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, subscribe, bell notification, hit all those. Thank you. If you guys want to see what I'm doing, because yesterday I did say that I was selling Cardano in the mid 230s to go buy Ethereum. It was a pretty good trade. Cardano's fallen down, Ethereum's come up a little bit. If you guys want to figure that out, what I'm doing, you can check out the link down below to Patreon. So we have Cardano around $2.26. It has come down a little bit, but there has been some good news from the Cardano Summit here this morning, from the keynote, and I covered a little bit of it this morning. Some of it I didn't cover. So here you can see they're partnering up with esports giant Rival. So they're going to develop an agnostic NFT marketplace, fan rewards, and more for Rival and their partners. So we know that other big cryptos have blown up on NFT releases. We already could have NFTs on Cardano before smart contracts, but that has helped the likes of Solana and some other cryptos, Ethereum, blow up a lot this year. So anything with NFTs is probably a good thing for Cardano. We also know, and I talked about this morning, that they're working with a Fortune 250 company, Dish. So they are going to provide decentralized identities to about 8 million different people. And I went into that this morning. I'll put that on the end screen, trying to explain what this means, what the significance of that is. But headline is they're working with a Fortune 250 company, which is worth about $22 billion. Now, there is a rumor about them possibly working with Amazon. How likely is it they partner with Amazon? Well, Dish actually already works with Amazon. You can see Dish stock rallies after a 5G deal with Amazon's AWS. There's also another rumor that I've heard flowing around that they might actually try to buy out Dish. That Amazon has already tried to get into the cell phone industry and failed. So that is a possibility. I wouldn't bank on it, but that would be pretty exciting. And it would be a great thing for Cardano, obviously, to partner with the largest company in the world, or one of the top two. So I do want to talk about one specific project on Cardano just for a little bit here, because it is a sponsor of the channel. It's Ridoto. So it's one of the only companies that is in the entertainment space on Cardano. You can already see it on Cardano's ecosystem, and they've actually posted about it on Cardano's Twitter, or on IOHK's Twitter. They are reinventing the gambling experience. They have a couple big catalysts here. So they already closed their private sale. It was oversubscribed, which is good. A lot of people want in on it. They introduced their first suite of utility NFTs. They've talked about that a lot. And last call, Ridoto's pre-IDO lottery. So they are giving away tokens. This is why I wanted to bring it up. I only try to help you guys. So they are having a lottery where you can actually get some free tokens. I will put that underneath the video as the top link so you can check it out. I would definitely try to get some free tokens. Why not? So they do say how you can get listed in that drawing. And then last thing, they are coming to Uniswap on September 28th. So in case you do want to actually buy it, you can on there. Definitely check out that link under the video to get some free RDT tokens. So why do I say Charles Hoskinson is calling out for $10 Cardano? Well, I've made this very clear before. Right around these big events, you have to be careful because there are a lot of scammers on live streams around these large events. So this is probably the biggest one that I've ever seen. Charles Hoskinson, we expect $10 per Cardano at the end of 2021. If you've been paying attention, you would not fall for this. You can see 113,000 people liked it and only 273 disliked it. I disliked it, not because I don't want for us to hit a $10 Cardano, not because of that, but because this is totally fake. I followed the line, and you can do this yourself, but it pushes you to this website, which then asks you to send money to this address. I looked up the address. There's 13 transactions, and looks like they've made something like 15,000 Cardano, which is worth over $30,000. So please, please do not fall for this. It looks like 113,000 people are falling for this. I mean, you don't even see finance videos that get this many views, or it's really, you don't get this many likes. Like, it had to be over 1 million people that watch this. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, well, I didn't send money, or I didn't send Cardano, I know too much for that. Well, there still are 113,000 people that don't understand that this is a fake video, even though Charles is in a separate space. He never makes price predictions, and you should never send your ADAs. So we should talk for a second about whether $10 Cardano is even possible. Well, you can see market cap is right around $73 billion at $2.26. We would have to get to about a $320 billion market cap for us to have $10 Cardano. I'm not going to rule it out. If we see Bitcoin really above 6 figures, and I've said this in my last video or two too, but I realize not everyone watches them. If we get $150,000 Bitcoin, could definitely see $10,000, $12,000 Ethereum, $10 Cardano. Now I'm not gonna bank on that. We have to see more brought to the ecosystem, but that would put them just slightly under where Ethereum is today. And I think it's definitely possible. Whether we see it in this bull run or not, I think really will depend on how much Bitcoin and Ethereum have flowing into them. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you want to check out the Patreon, you can check out underneath the video to see what I'm doing in crypto and in stocks. Also, thank you to Ridoto, so you can definitely check out that link underneath the video. Just get some free tokens if you want. You can try it out. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.